How to screenshot on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this short video I'm going to show you how you can take a quick screenshot on your Windows computer. So first of all, there are two ways to do this. The first is you can simply go to your search bar and search for Snipping Tool, and you'll find the Snipping Tool over here. And when you do open the Snipping Tool, you'll basically find this camera toggle that says Snip. So you can simply click on the snip icon to be able to snip, or you can simply take a recording. Now based on whatever it is that you want to do, you can go ahead and then take a screenshot by just clicking on this little options over here. So you can tap on this little option here and take a full screen screenshot if you want to. The shortcut to opening this snipping tool is by using the Windows Shift and S command. So Windows Shift S, you press that and you'll by default open up this little menu over here where you can select this option and select full screen, and it'll take a screenshot of the full screen. You can find your screenshot when you open up your file explorer, and then you can simply go to pictures, and under screenshots you'll find a screenshot that you've just taken. This way we will be able to take a screenshot on Windows. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.